Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to check storage Microsoft Outlook on computer. So how to check storage Microsoft Outlook on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Outlook on your computer. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Outlook. To see storage in Microsoft Outlook, just go. Direct the cursor to the upper right corner of the computer screen. Here there is a settings icon. And tap. Here there are many menu options. Select the account menu. In the account menu there are many options. Tap Menu Storage. Now you can see the storage on Microsoft Outlook. Viewing storage in Outlook is useful for monitoring storage capacity, preventing full emails, and maintaining optimal performance. This feature also helps delete old emails and avoid additional costs for paid users. So that's it, the tutorial how to check storage Microsoft Outlook on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.